The next important tool is Google Forms. Using Google Forms, you can create quizzes and surveys. I'm sure many of the educators are using Google Forms, but here in the training session, we will be learning how to use advanced Google Form options. So let me click on one of these options, and this is the simple registration form by which you can take surveys, feedback form, and just we want us to fill up the information over here. So this is one way of taking up the information or taking the surveys, and you can check the responses over here. So and the best part of it, most of the responses will be available in the format of graphical representation or in the format of charts. And now let me take you through the quiz as well. So here I'm clicking on a quiz. Using Google Forms, we can create quiz where we can embed the images, we can have match the following, and this is a section wise quiz. So this is the first section that we are going through. Now let me click on to this next. This is the second section. In the second section, even we have embedded the video. So even you can use videos in your quiz, and you can ask a student to go through the videos before they answer a particular question. And now let me go to the next part of this video. Even we can embed the images in the options. So to make your quiz more interactive and engaging, you can use this option. Another kind of quiz that we are going to learn in Google Certified Training Program, it is of how to create adaptive quizzes. What do you mean by adaptive quizzes? For example, in this form, city you would like to visit, this is the question. If I click Mumbai, I will get different questions. If I click Delhi, I will get different questions. So let me check, brief you on this. So for example, here we are getting all the questions which are related to Mumbai. Which is your favorite place in Mumbai, or did you visit Mumbai before? If I go back and if I click Delhi, so now I will get all the different options, and which are these options are going to be related to Delhi. So this is the way we can create adaptive quizzes. And the best part of all the Google quizzes, we can collect their responses in the spreadsheet. So here we have just used only one spreadsheet to collect all the responses. So for example, in your school or college, you are conducting different quizzes for class or for your classes. It can be class 5th, 6th, and if you have taken 10 different quizzes, all the responses you can collect in same spreadsheet. So this spreadsheet is a very user-friendly tool. The way that we have created the website in the similar format, we can create the quizzes as well.